Disclaimer: this video is intended for educational purposes only, specifically to demonstrate the computation of excise taxes on tobacco products. I do not endorse, promote, or encourage the use of tobacco in any form. Tobacco products are addictive and hazardous to health and may lead to serious financial and medical conditions. If you are or know someone who is struggling with tobacco addiction, please seek help from a qualified healthcare professional. In this video, we will discuss cigars. So, one question, what are cigars? So, i-check natin dito, no? So, usually, sa mga cartoons, ito yung dinedepict na merong hinahawakang malaking sigarilyo. So, iba pa yung cigar sa cigarette. Okay, yung cigarette, yun yung nabibili dun sa mga suking tindahan. Okay, usually, ang mga cigar, medyo may kamahalan. Okay, kaya yung mga nakaka-afford lang nito ay yung medyo may kaya. So, hindi po yan embutido ha. That's cigar. Okay, malaki yan siya compared sa cigarette. Okay, sige. Ang hinihingi dito ay how much daw yung excise tax due. Sige, compute natin. Okay, ano ba yung tax rate na binigay ng BIR? So, check natin dito. Dalawa ang rates. Number 1, isang ad valorem or based sa value ng cigar. And second is specific. So, sige, check natin. Okay, check muna natin yung ad valorem. Sa ad valorem, okay, ang binigay is 20%. Okay, 20% times ano? Based daw sa net selling or net retail price. Hindi kasali yung excise at yung value-added tax. So, ibig sabihin, naka-net to siya ng VAT and excise taxes. So, if for example, sa given, meron ng kasaling excise tax at VAT, tatanggalin natin yun. So, buti na lang dito sa problem, naka-net na siya. So, 750 pesos. Now, mind you that ito, per stick yung tax. Okay? So, itong 750 peso, it's per stick. Okay? Hindi siya per box. So, sige. 750 peso per stick. Ngayon, ilang stick ba? Or ilang cigars ang meron? So, nag-produce daw sila ng 2,500 boxes. Tapos, each box contains 10 cigars. Okay? Actually, 100 cigars. Okay? So, yun lang guys. Okay, compute natin. So, that is 750 times 2,500 times 100. Okay? Times 20%. So, ibig sabihin, ito yung excise tax na babayaran ng VWX Corporation. So, that's 37,500,000. Next, i-compute naman natin yung specific. Okay? Kanina yung ad valorem. Ngayon, yung specific naman. So, sige. Ang sabi dito, per cigar. Okay? May buwis na 7 pesos and 75 centavos. Okay? Ilang cigars ba meron? So, ang sabi dito, merong 2,500 boxes containing 100 cigars each. So, that's 2,500 boxes times 100 cigars. Okay, so magkano lahat? So, 7.75. Okay, may nakalimutan tayo, no? Na dapat yung tax rate natin ay 2025. So, yung 7.75 dito is for 2024. So, kailangan pa pala natin siya i-increase by, tama, 1.05%. 105% or 1.05. So, sige, compute na natin. 7.75 times 1.05 times 2,500 boxes times 100 cigars. So, ang specific component ng excise tax applicable for cigar is 2,034,375. So magkano yung total tax? Is it 37,500,000 or 2,034,375? Actually, it's both. Okay? Both specific and ad valorem. So sige, i-add na natin. Next. Okay. 2,034,375 plus 37,500,000. Yun. So, ibig sabihin yung total tax due is 39,534,375. So, ganyan lang siya kadali, guys. Okay. Next. Check naman natin. Compute for the inspection fee. So, again, ang inspection fee ay applicable lamang sa mga tobacco products. So, since ang cigar ay isang tobacco product, expect na may inspection fee. So, sige, check natin dito sa tax rates. Ayun, per 1,000 piece, 50 centavo yung inspection fee. So, sige, compute natin. Okay, so let's start. 50 centavo times, okay, ilang pieces ba meron? So, there are 2,500 boxes times 100 cigars. Okay. So, check natin. 50 centavo times 2,500 boxes times 100 cigars divided by, okay, so ito yung number of cigar. Tapos, for every 1,000 piece, 50 centavo. So, divided by 1,000. So, ibig sabihin, ang inspection fee lang is 125 pesos. So, that's it, guys. Okay, ganyan lang siya kadali. Okay, lagay lang natin dito, divided by 1,000 pieces. Okay, so ganyan lang siya kadali, guys. Okay, now you try. We will answer this problem in another video.